Let's go, guys. Let's go. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Before I start the stream, I just need to do a quick prayer. Lord, we thank you for this week. We thank you for this day. We bless this day, oh Lord. I also commence this trading. Bless everyone who's going to view the stream. Bless everyone that's going to visit us today on the stream. And whatever is that desire, give it unto them. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. So let's commence this stream. Today is the last day of the week, and we placed just one trade this week so far on stream, and it was also a win trade. Good. So if you have not seen it, don't worry, I'm going to do a proper recap on every trade we have played so far. Every trade I've played so far since we started trading live, like all the trade on stream, not on the signals, like just on stream. I'm going to do a breakdown on everything, and I'm going to be dropping the video this weekend, so stay tuned for the video, guys. Just stay tuned for the videos because the video is going to be dropping soon. So let me do a breakdown on the pair I want to be trading. But before I do that, let's go over to our FOREX factory and let's check what is going on over here. So looking at FOREX factory, you can see that today is Friday, and the only red folder news we have is by 3 p.m. I don't trade New York. This is like New York open, so I don't trade New York. So I really don't have any business looking at this pair by this time. I really don't have any business looking at this pair at this time. Let's go back to sorry guys. Let's go back to 1 second, guys. I'm trying to do something. Let's go back to our charts and let's walk our way through. So these are some trades I was looking to place yesterday. I actually placed yesterday actually. But let's walk our way to what price is doing currently now. So let me clear up everything and show you guys what I'm saying and what I think is gonna happen on the chart. So let's remove everything. Let's go back. Let's start from our daily time frame and walk our way through to the current day or the current time price is. Looking at the daily, we can currently see that let's walk away to what price is giving us a fake out. Like you can see that the previous day price broke below the structure. You can see that this was the break of structure. So I was thinking that at this point the price break, because throughout this week I was emphasizing on this exact place here, this exact level, this support level, like this is strong level. The price day below and say push, but not knowing that price is just coming down here to test this structure here, the much stronger structure. The price just came down to test this structure, and it's currently looking like it has no top week, so I don't really know what I will tell you about this particular pair, but it has no top week, so anything can happen, but this candle has no top week. Okay, it does have a little top week, but anything can happen. That's what I want you guys to understand, that anything can actually happen. My system is running on high CPU, so let me, there's a lot of things, it seems like a lot of tabs open. Let me clear up some tabs. Give me 1 second, guys, so we continue. So the stream won't lag, which I avoid stream from lagging. Okay, guys, continue from where we stop. So you can see that the structure. You can see that the structure currently here is also testing this low. So let's go over to our 4 hour time frame. And you can see back to the daily, you can see that this is also our daily high here. This is the daily high around this level. So this is the daily high. So this is what we're literally looking at. This is what we're currently working with. So you can see this is our daily low and this is our daily high. That's what I see in this structure currently now. So So if I go to my 4-hour time frame, if I work my way through to the 4-hour time frame, I can see that we have some level of resistance above here, level of resistance above here, and on these 4 hours, if this candle close below, let's see if it goes below these 4 hours. Yeah, it did, but a little. I won't count this as a break since it's not really a strong break of closure below the structure. So I won't really count this as a break. I won't really count this as a break. So let's work our way through to the much lower time frame. So in this structure, this is what I can see on the 4 hours. But let's drop down to the hourly candle and let's see what price is doing on the hourly. So on the hourly, mind you that the 4-hour structure is currently bearish. Overall is bullish momentum, but the previous 4 hours is bearish. So the 4 hours current structure is bearish. So let's look at the 1 hour time frame. And on the 1 hour, you can see that rejection price try to push above. So this will have actually been an entry on the 1 hour break of the structure here for price to continue pushing upward. And price moved around 80p, which is good, which is actually good for this continuation. You can see price moved opening first to continue that pushing down. Looking at the 30 minutes now, we should have a 30 minutes resistance above this level and support below. Yeah, so we should be looking for sales below the structure. Once we see the closure below, that is when I'll look to go for some shorts on gold. So that's what I'm currently seeing. That's the structure I'm working on. That's only gain I see currently on gold. So what I would like price to do is something like this. I want to see some very closure. I want to see this candle closing like strong here below the structure, leaving a weak rejection. The next one to like do a retest of the broken structure. Then once I see the flip of the candle, I look to sell. I look to sell. So that's exactly what I'm looking for. Right now. My network is actually bad today. If you notice, that's why I didn't stream yesterday, because my network was down and the network is not fully okay yet, but it's manageable fully, because I'm seeing my other screen here and on my YouTube they are telling me that I have a very poor stream health. So it means that my network is not as strong as it's supposed to be. That is it. So I'm looking for sales below. So I'll just quickly type your 15 minutes. Let's look at the 15 minutes as well. Yeah, adjust it to this point. Bye. Sell below. So this is what I'm waiting for right now. Only 30 minutes, only 15 minutes of the structure has been changed to like below the structure. But let's see which one will play out first, if it's the 30 or the actual 15. So we basically have like 11 minutes till London section. So we need to wait it out and see how it all closes and how it all ends before we know how you're going to look to get into the trade. I don't understand. So that's what I'm looking for. We have like 11 minutes till London section. So we need to wait it out and see how I'm waiting for. So aside that, let's look at our next pair, which is GPP JPY, and let's see what GJ is doing. Let's see how GJ is doing. So this is GJ, and it's trending out. Not bad. Coming lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower. Look at the charts, and let's start from our daily time frame, which is obviously bearish. You can see that there's a bearish momentum. See that the previous week was bullish momentum, price pushing to the upside. I can see it currently now. The next one is bearish momentum pushing to the downside. So that's what price is currently doing. You can see that's exactly what price is doing on GJ. What price is doing on GJ. So let's me work my way to the 4 hour. So looking at the daily, we have a daily support here. We have a daily resistance above this exact spot. We also have a daily support below here. This is why it's on the daily. So if I go to my 4 hour, I hope you guys understand how to draw the resistance and support. If I go to my 4 hour time frame, I can see that if I go to my 4 hours, you can see that the 4 hours has a support down below the structure, and we also have a 4 hours resistance above this level. So let me scale to my 1 hour. Let's see more cleaner structure and cleaner range. So this is also where price is looking to move to. So looking at the current candle and seeing how this current 1 hour is breaking the previous 1 hour low without breaking above the previous 1 hour high, we could likely see some more drive to the downside. Like you can likely see price move to the downside. So that's what I'm seeing currently now. So you can actually see a more So what I want price to do now is looking at the 30 minutes as well. We have a 30 minutes level here, the level of support. So this is a 30 minutes support level, and if you measure the range is around 20 pip, okay, which is good enough for DJ to actually move. So if you see a break, this is like a fake out as well of the structure. So if you see a break of structure below this, if you see a break of structure below this candle, you can see just a very slow draw below the structure like this. The next one retest, then push downwards. So this is what I'm looking for on GG. So this is a possibility of what will likely happen on GG. So all I need to do is I'll just wait patiently to see how the candle. You guys, let's wait and see what's going to happen before I look to enter the trade. So wait, let's see if GG will play out or gold will be the one to play out. It's Friday. Okay, so you shouldn't be trading, shouldn't be in the market for too long. You shouldn't be trading. Oh, go BTC, it's crazy. You shouldn't be in the market for too long. Just look to take a bit and leave. That should be all. Let's go back to gold. Let's wait it out. There's nothing else to do. Let's wait it out. I think I can trade. Um, that's it, right? I think the voice is okay. Oh, I think the voice is okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? So what we're doing right now is we're waiting for gold to play out, and we're waiting for DJ also to play out. So we all know that trading is a game of being patient. You have to be patient to wait for things to fall in place, for analysis to just come, like everything to just come to meet you before you look to actually execute something or place a trade. That's basically what trading is all about. Yes, so. So now we wait and we just shuffle between DJ and okay, DJ is breaking out. DJ is breaking out. We have 4 more minutes. Hopefully it doesn't push too down. And we look to probably okay, let's measure how many pips is already moved. Okay. This is we have 17 more pips. And if you look for our yeah. Mind you that the only loss we have on stream came on DJ. So skeptical about trading it, but let's see. The only loss we have on stream is currently DJ. So the 3 wins you see there on my chat all came from gold. So we are like literally 100% trading gold, like 100%. We have not had a single loss on gold on stream. So I know you are still young, you just take trades, but the only loss our very first stream, our very first stream our first trade was on GJ and we took it. And funny enough, I analyzed gold and GJ that day, and the gold played out well. Gold is a pair I trade every day, and I decided to just analyze it and I didn't do anything. So the gold actually played out very well, and the GJ came to eat us at stop loss. That was exactly what happened that day. I was like, that's how the whole training was that day. But God currently is not doing anything, so we can't force it. So you have to look at GJ, because GJ is actually looking good, and based on the higher time frame confidence, which is currently price is just moving bearish. So I can look to also sell it. You get me? So I'll look to also sell GJ since it's looking like that. So I think that one we do. So all we need to do now is just see if look at the 1 hour. Like I said, I told you that if that place confidence break, expect a drop, and it's also broken the 2-hour low as well. So let's wait. Let me look at the 4 hours again. Okay, so all we need to see, this could be a retest to go up. Let's wait. I need to see. Let me see how it closes in a few seconds. Let me see how this candle goes. Looking at the 5-minute time frame or more. Okay. Let's wait. Let's see how this candle closes. Then we'll know what exactly we are going to do. So we need this candle to close. Let's see how the candle close. So we know. So that is exactly the start of London section. So let's wait and see. If you rewind the video, for me to enter a trade, I need a bit of pullback, rejection, tapping this area, then look to buy, sell the flip. Okay, again. No top, no bottom wick. But the trade can move. I'm out. I don't think I'm placing a trade on this. It has no bottom wick. The trade can do whatever it likes. Fuck. FUGJ. No, just wait for good. It's Friday. Friday the chill day, man. If I think I didn't I streamed yesterday. Probably I wouldn't have even bothered streaming today. Or I have like a that I'm trying to keep. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Okay, guys, you can see that GJ just pumped down and gave us over. Yeah, this would have been closed already on this trade. We would have literally been done with this trade. So GJ is an ass, and there are days that in our early beginnings, there are days that you can actually enter GJ and you enjoy it. So I will show you guys like some structure on GJ that actually moves well. You can see this one now. You can see this place. Sell below, came down. You can see another one here. Let me show you guys. Yeah, let me go to 15 minutes. Let me show you guys. This is like around one. This is the Asian section. This is actually a nice play on GD. Actually, this is actually a very nice play on GD. Even from those spots here. Let's see. This is the 15 minutes. This is one as well. He played out but came back up. He did very well. This is another one. Break up structure here. Push down. There's one or two moves that played out on GJ. So that's what I can see currently. There's one or two moves that played out on GJ. There's one or two moves that played out on GJ. But what we can do now is wait and wait. But GJ is out of the picture currently. Like, it's totally out of the picture unless we get a. Let me see what price I'm doing before. Let's be observant here. Let's be observant. Let me go back to gold. The gold is currently pushing down now. This is good, which I love to see. Let's see if we can get some closure and we look to So you have the call. Like I said before, um I'm looking for a price to close below like this, then rejection, break of structure, so the market. So this is what I'm looking for on gold. This is what I want gold to do. Break structure. This is exactly what I want. So let's see if that's exactly what price is going to do right now on gold. So we wait patiently and we look at the trade. So we have like 24 minutes to the end of the 30 minutes, and I think we have around 10 minutes to the end of 9 to 10 minutes. Yeah, 9 minutes to the end of the 15. And if you measure this, you see that price is already moving. This is already 45p. Crazy time to do trader. So this is the time that people that have small accounts, you can either bank it in one trade if you actually get your exact entry, like from your exact entry. Yeah, okay, let me give you guys a quick show. Yesterday, I deposited it $16 and I took it to like $80. You get me? Just like $80, but the plan was like from that $80, let me take it to like $80 to take it to like 500 once. So I used before before you get to $80, I was using like points. I was using like 0.02. You get 0.02. So when you go to that $80, I increased my lot size to 0.2. You get me? So when that's, I'll probably get there's a move I was looking for. Like there was one move I was looking for. I used 0.2, then I probably 0.2 as it moves. I look to add more positions on the trade. So apparently the 0.2 was my downfall, and price just quickly reversed against me, 40 pip, and I got stopped out. Yes, so that was it. So if you're someone that $16 is your last cash, you don't want to. I won't advise you to do that. You get me? I won't advise you to do that. We wait, guys. We wait, guys. We wait, guys. There's nothing going on right now. So DJ actually, okay, it has created a topic, but regardless of it creating a topic, I have no business with it because this candle had no, although price has gone up to give us the topic. It's like God creating the initial, no topic, whatever. So this is the chances of this trade going from 50-50 chance to like 60-40 chance of it going his way. And if you have placed your sell stop back down here, you price has already moved 10 people, and you can see it's 12 people. Obviously, you have some of your surplus to break even around this area, so you get for price to just cover. But that's aside that, there's nothing else again to look at the charts. There's nothing else to talk about. Price has done its own thing, and there's nothing really here to see. Yes, and there's nothing really here to see. So if you're new in the stream, please give us a like and subscribe. So show some love, guys. And give a comment. If anything you want me to talk about, you can also leave a comment about it, and we can just talk about everything. Just drop a message what you want to know. This TJ trade would have been good, man. Only if price had leave a bottom wick and retested the structure first before pushing that one. Because if we look at it, it's if you look at this thing now at the higher time frame, you look at it, bam, you just think that price, hey, this breakout strategy works, so it's crazy, like our price just tested and move. But no, price actually came down first, came back into the structure, retest it, which is also still good. If I go to like the 1 minute time frame, I think you see it's like this is actually like a break and a test. You can see it. Go to 1 minute, you see like the break and a test. You can see, look at it. Now it's like a fake out on the 1 minute self. So someone can even place a trade from this step. Those 1 minute traders, I don't know how they used to do it. Put the trade from here, put our surplus above here, like 7 people. You can see price move like 18 people. You get, but that's not what I was looking at. That's not what I was looking for. That was not what I was looking at, and that's not what I was looking for. You get me? So the price has played out its own, and all we can do is wait for the next structure. Probably just wait for a break of structure below here. Let me look at my left. Yeah, they see a lot long of structures below here. We have levels here. Price can meet up. Let's just see. But most likely, I won't look to place a trade. Looking at the way everything is, I might likely not even place a trade today. I repeat myself, today is Friday, so it should be easy and everything. And the go-to is not looking like he wants to give me an entry this morning. You guys, because it's not looking like he wants to give me an entry as well. So I will just have to wait it out and see how everything plays out. See how everything plays out to know if I'm actually going to place a trade or we are not doing anything. We're just going to just look at the structure like this. That's what I see currently. That's all I can see currently on the chart. That's what I can see currently on the chart. If you're new to the chart, guys, please do give us a like and subscribe. Please give us a like, guys. Give us a like and subscribe, and probably share it to your people. Let them know that there's someone out here streaming live and for free for everybody. So be a part of. So let's get up from like, and in the forthcoming days, I'll be actually doing some giveaway, some profile giveaway, 5k, 10k giveaway. So probably I'll do a giveaway once the account, like my subscriber gets to 300. Yeah, once I have 300 subscribers, we're going to do our first profile giveaway. You get me? I'm going to give out 5k to 2 people. That's it. That's going to be it. So that's going to be it. So once the account gets to it's like my subscribers get to 3,300. Sorry, I'm going to do a 5k giveaway. So guys, turn up. This will be 2 giveaway, 5k to 2 people. So people to like, we're currently at 270, and I need extra 25 people on the stream. Like I need 25 extra people streaming, and subscribers, 25 new subscribers. So once the account actually gets to 300, we're going to do a giveaway. So that's how I was going to be doing a giveaway, but like once or twice every month, getting our profit to people that's also doesn't really have capital but want to start trading. That's what I'm going to be doing some profit giveaway. So God is looking like it wants to play out. So let's wait and let's see how it's eventually the rules get. So you shouldn't always be looking to jump into trades. And just wait patiently for structure to play out, everything to fall in place. Like everything I'm waiting for to fall in place for you to enter the trade. So we're still looking at gold currently, and we have about 30 minutes close in 30 minutes. Let's see if we can actually get a 30 minutes close below this 30 minute structure. Then I can look to actually place a trade to enter this trade. You get me? So that's all I'm currently seeing on this trade. That's what I'm saying. Let's wait and let's see if we're gonna get any opportunities. Let's wait. Ronaldo was winning. So you can see, I think the volume is beginning to kick in a bit. I think the volume is beginning to kick in a bit. So let's wait and see how the volume kick in. Let's wait and see how the volume kick in. So we'll likely get likely get a trade soon. Looking at the way the pair is currently moving, we'll likely get a sell on gold soon. So let's just wait and see how. Yeah, I like the volume. So now it's about to break my 15 minutes support as well. So let's see how the 15 minutes support goes. So if this candle doesn't hold, it break below. One problem is that price has already moved over 70 people. This one candle already 70 people. And if I measure it from the very top, from where price started moving bearish, this is over 100 people, over 200. So the candle, the whole structure is already really crazy. It's really crazy already. But let's see. Let's just wait and see if we can actually place a trade here. So let's wait and see. We have like 5 more minutes. No, 10 more minutes. Hopefully it doesn't drive too much and push. Like again, today's Friday, so you shouldn't be looking for trades like that unless you get like an A plus setup. And if you already made money this week already, what I would advise you to do is, if you must even place a trade, what you need to do is like lower your risks. Just reduce your risks downwards. Like reduce your risks before you actually look to place a trade. So that is, guys. So just wait. You have 10 more minutes. Yeah, let's just wait. I will wait. Let me just look at my. Um, I don't call him my best friend because before I discovered gold, it was DJ I was trading. I was trading DJ. It was actually good. Then DJ. But I started trading DJ a lot, like 2021, 2022. I traded DJ a lot. Like after I discovered the whole this strategy that works for me, I started trading DJ a lot, like a lot. So yeah, so this is what DJ is doing. He's doing his own thing. He's doing his own thing. DJ is doing his own thing. So, anyways, you just have to wait. You just have to wait for price to do what it wants. But hopefully, gold plays out, and we likely jump the gun, see a nice opportunity in the market, and we'll make money from it. Or I'm not too convinced about the whole gold structure. I'm not really into the whole gold structure because of the way it is. It has really moved. Like if you actually want to get gold most times, okay, it's just broken below 4 minutes. Gold might run now. This gold my levers. If I just run and levers, I just run and levers. But anyways, okay. Another way is that if price eventually push below structure, let's say price actually close, like push really down and close below, and that we can't look to enter a trade. The next thing I can likely see is if we have like a bullish momentum like this, like bullish closure, then the next candle like a bearish closure like this, breaking below the low like a engulfing candle. Then we can look to enter up the next candle while it's retesting and break of structure to sell the market. So this is another way we can likely look to enter the market. Or if you see price after the whole bearish close, like price closing bearish, you see the next candle just close a big bull, like big bullish like this. You can look to sell off from the next candle if it breaks its low, because this price has moved so bearish that I need a bullish candle before I look to sell. So I actually need price to give me a bullish candle. Like I legitimately need a bullish structure. I need some kind of bullish structure on this market. You understand? But regardless of that, hopefully this battler candle close well, and if it does, only have a minor level of support here, which could indicate that price might just be doing some kind of test of somewhere to start pushing upward. But let's see. Let me do a top down analysis again. Let me just do something. Let me do like top down analysis again. Let me do something quick. Let me go to the 4-hour time frame. Let me look at something. Okay. Power is breaking the low. Okay. Don't worry, I stick to myself. Don't worry, I stick to myself. At this point itself, at price breaking this low, this price should drive. Like it should just drive based on the whole structure is just closing. This candle should actually like drive to the downside. But then again, it's even rejecting the area. So wait, we have 6 more minutes. This morning we know if we're going to get a nice trade this week. If we get a nice trade this week. So I think this is my trading trade staking. I think I'm going to like edit it to something better so you guys can see. I'll give it like a more better structure, like so you guys know trades in total, the months, trades replace the week. I'm actually going to analyze like tweet a better one. Let's wait, guys. So I think this is the trade I'll just wait for. If it doesn't play out in the next 30 minutes, that'll be all. And don't forget, guys, once we get to 300 sub on, once the account gets to 300 sub on once my subscriber gets to 300, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm doing a 5k giveaway, which is 10k in total. I'm doing a 5k to two people are going to win 5k each. Two people are going to win 5k each, which is $10,000 worth of profit on live stream. So you're going to be on live stream. I'm going to also be giving a profile on live stream. And for then, I'm going to let you guys know the criteria. But first of all, we need to get to 300 sub. So let's get to 200 sub, guys. So whatever it means, share it to your friends. Let them know that someone's streaming. Once you get to 300 sub, we are doing a profile. It's going to be a routine, like every month's routine. We're going to be giving out profile to someone who needs it. So the more the subscriber grows, the more probably there'll be a time that we might actually be giving like 10 50k, 25k profile to somebody. Yes, so support everyone. You get so support the whole community and let us all the way. Let's all make money together. You get me? So that's the that's the goal. That's the point of everything. That's the goal. The goal of being a trader. I'm Nigerian, so I know how difficult it is. So I'll be proud if I see my next man doing well and doing well in something that you don't actually need to scam anyone to make money from. You get me? So if there's any way I can use to assist and support, even though it's the latest way, in order for the next person to actually succeed in this craft, why not? Why not I give my help? So that being said, gold is likely not to close the way we want it to close. So we have 3 more minutes. So let's wait and see how the candle closes in the next 3 minutes. So once we close like this, no entries. But let me look at my 30 minutes as well, because it's also the close of the 30 minutes. This is a very risky thing to do. But I think I would prefer the 15 closure instead of the 30 minutes, because there might be a hiccup if price actually wants to push down and it's not pushed because of this support level. You understand? So I think I would prefer the 30 minutes closure below the structure. So I will need this price to actually close below the structure in order for me to enter the market. I think that's what I want. I actually want the 15 minutes closure. I actually want the 15 minutes. So we have 2 more minutes. Hopefully we can get that candle to close below. Then we look to place the trade. Hopefully we can get the candle to close below. How many guys? Are we going to get it close once or not? One more minute, guys. Are we going to get it closure we want or not? Even rejecting it. Only market. Might even close above the 30 minutes. Might even close above the 30 minutes. I said it. I know my structures. I know how good the content you want to fumble. Let's see, Sha. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If we got the 30 minutes closure, well, only 5 minutes. Yeah, I can enter the shape. Nope. This is a 5 minutes. I know this structure. I know this direction on the 5 minutes. I know this direction on the right now. Okay. Gold is going to push up. But regardless, it might prove me wrong. But there's no trade for me. So, but if you're looking, not bots, there's no need to tell you guys anything. The trade might actually play out. I'm not the one that moved in the market, but looking at the way the structure is, man, it's better to walk away without taking an L. My foot chest, I waiting for a sell below. This way, if my foot chest, maybe I'm looking for a sell below. So I cannot go against my structure or my analysis. So my analysis was I need a sell below this trade. So this is close to an hour on the stream. So we have just 2 more minutes. So let me wait for it to get to 1 hour. Then we're going to call it a stream, call it a day. We've been doing this for 2 weeks. We've been streaming for 2 weeks. And thanks to everyone thanks to people who has been with me from day one. And please try and leave a comment on the stream. It helps. Just try and leave a comment so I'll know that you have been with me from the early days. So please, wherever you are, anytime you come on stream, try and leave a comment. Like, I need to see a comment, even though it's hi, hey. I can see some people leaving some comments. Just try and leave a comment. You don't necessarily need to ask me any question. Just say hey, hi, I see it, and it helps. It helps. Just leave a comment. So I can just randomly pick someone that I know that okay, this person has been with me from day one and do give it for the person. So be with me, just try and just leave a comment. Even though it's hi, hey, L, or wherever you're streaming from, whatever location you're streaming from, just you get me. So just leave a comment so I know where you're streaming from. So guys, the stream is I'm going to end the stream now because no opportunity. I was waiting for price to just break below the structure, so I look for opportunity. But you can't frustrate until it's Friday. You get me? So we've tried, and that'll be all for today. We just hit 1 hour on stream today, so I tried 1 hour on stream. But anyways, if this trade eventually play out, I'm going to drop the message on the Telegram group. So if you're on the Telegram group, can I see you? Sunday, I see you. So wherever you're streaming from, if you're not on the Telegram group, just drop. I'm going to pin this now on YouTube. I'm going to pin it on YouTube before I close. So I'm going to quickly pin it and just stay like 1 or 2 minutes. You get. I'm going to pin it. So I'm going to pin it now. I'm waiting for the Telegram app to open, and it's looking like it doesn't want to open. Oh, my Telegram not going to open. Like my Telegram is actually feeling to open. I don't know why. I'm feeling to open. Anyways, it's feeling to open. But just stay tuned. Catch me on Monday. And so what will happen is that instead of me closing the stream, let me just wait. We have 10 minutes to the end of this candle. So let me just wait for the next 10 minutes while trying to open my Telegram. Let me just wait for 10 minutes. 10 minutes won't hot. So let me wait for 10 minutes. Let me see how this 10 minutes closes. Then yeah, I like this. So let's see how this. You can even enter the structure of the 5 minutes if it's 5 minutes structure breaks below. But that's not what I'm looking for. Always trade the higher time frame conference. So let's wait for the 15 minutes to close. Then once we wait, wherever we see we have like 10 more minutes, wherever we see price do, we know how we will look to enter the market. You get me? So let us wait. We have 10 more minutes. Okay. This is why with patience is key in trading. So eventually it seems like my telegram is about to open now. Yeah. So I just dropped the link and I'm going to pin it. I'm going to pin it on the chat. Pin message. Yeah. So you can just click the link if you are not on the Telegram. You can just click the link on there and join Telegram. You get me? Join Telegram. Okay, guys. Gold is still dancing around, not ready for any move. But assuming I entered off the 30 minutes, which I wouldn't have because I told you guys that that's not what I'm looking for. Price moved 20 people already. So that's not enough reason for me to go into the chart. Like I already gave you guys a full breakdown analysis of what I wanted price to do in order for me to actually enter the trade. Okay. So I think that's it. I think that is okay. You can see good push. I told you guys before that I've seen this structure before and I know how this structure works, and this is an area where price will likely push up from. So I don't actually think this will play out, but let us wait. Like I said, let me just wait for the last 15 minutes and I will know what I'm going to do looking at the chart. So let's wait. I have about 7 more minutes, so it doesn't help to wait for 7 minutes. So let us wait and see how the candle will end in 7 minutes. What is my longest stream? What is my longest stream? Let me see what my longest stream is. Okay, we got a new subscriber today, guys. Whoever subscribed, thank you for subscription. I just noticed that from it was 276 and it just got to it was 275, then it got to 276. So thanks for the sub. Let's keep it rolling, guys. So my longest stream is my longest streaming day is around here. So my longest stream is 1 hour 11 minutes. Okay, 26 minutes. This is my longest stream. And thank you guys for 2 days ago we had our highest view, 75 on stream. Thank you guys. Gradually the views will start increasing. But thank you guys for viewing this. It means a lot. Like I said, this is 5 minutes and 5 more minutes for this to end, and I don't actually think the price is actually going to do anything significant. So we're looking to likely, I think I'm going to end the stream here. So thank you guys for tuning in from wherever you tuned in from. Much love. Stay blessed. Stay blessed. And I pray for your weekend that God's going to bless your weekend from wherever you are. And if you're struggling anyway financially and emotionally, physically, even from heartbreak, I pray that God will strengthen you and see you through. So I'll see you guys at the same time on Monday, 7:30 Monday time, like 7 Lagos time, 7:30. Let's try and make some money of the chat, and hopefully we get opportunities next week. Because this week entirely we just got one opportunity. Which I'm going to do a review of the entire trade we placed, the 4 trades we have played so far. I'm going to do a review on it. So see you guys. Stay blessed and bye.